Hey friend, hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Terry and today we are talking about digital products. In today's video, you will learn what's a digital product, why to sell digital products, how to create a digital product, and yes, I am in my pajamas recording at night because this is when my toddler is asleep, and quite frankly, after this, I'm going straight to bed. Hashtag mom life. Now, if you want to know what's a digital product pretty much is a digital download that goes straight to your customer's email after they buy from you or after you make a sale. Let's just say a customer places a order on your website of you selling a ebook, and after that sale, that digital download or that ebook goes straight to your customer's email inbox. So straight to their email address. It's a digital download, it's straight, there's no shipping, it's really quick. Now, why digital products? So a reason to sell digital products is because it literally costs $0. When I first started selling digital products, I didn't know nothing. I, looked it up on YouTube and I started selling straight directly from YouTube. So pretty much with digital products, there's no shipping required, no inventory, and you can literally start with $0. Yes, you can literally start selling digital products for free. This is the best business to start in 2023/2024 coming up. Now, if you're having a hard time coming up with digital product ideas, I do have a freebie linked down below, 25 digital product ideas. You can download this for free. It doesn't cost nothing. Just be sure to add your email to our email list, enter code FREE at the very end of checkout. Now we're going to get into how to make digital products. And me personally, I use Canva. I do sell digital products and I do like all my digital products to be made on Canva. They do have a pro version, but for the most part, it is free. So then I will go to create a design and I would type in ebook. I will type in ebook cover. And then once you type in that, it'll take you straight to Canva's ebook. Now, for example, I'm just going to say we're going to make a cookbook. Let's just name a cookbook just for example, like recipes. So they do have examples over here. You can even type in ebook template and they have like template with like different pages just so you can get a feel. So let's just say for this, I want to do recipes, a cookbook. I would click this and I would then click that. But you cannot sell it just like this. Like I said, you do have to change the colors. So for that, I do have some things saved because I do create, digital products and websites. So I would add this just to change the background. And then what I'll do is click the transparency. And then I'll turn it down just so it's still pink, but the design is still showing, And then I would say healthy meals for cheap. Like I said, you can't sell it as is. You have to change stuff. So I would say by angels who cook. Just an example, okay? And then after that, I will go to photos and I will type in food, just for an example. So I can go ahead and add that. Not sure if I want to make this bigger or not. It does look pretty good as is. But let's just say for there. Okay, so it says healthy meals for cheap by Angels Who Hustle. So then what I'll do is duplicate this page. And then what I'll do is delete that. I'll delete the background. But still want to keep the color. More than likely, we'll delete that. Keep these. Zoom in, make this smaller. And I'm only going to show you guys a 3-page ebook example just because making a whole ebook, like a whole 8, 10, 14, 12 page ebook would be like a lot, So yeah. Now, if you're struggling and you want to use my ebook template, I do have another freebie. Like I said, I got mad freebies down below. Click the link in the description to get my free ebook template, just in case you're struggling how to like place your ebook. I do have an example down below. Like I said, you can get it for free. Be sure to add your email to our email list and enter code FREE at the very end of checkout. So this looks kind of uneven. I just, in my eyes, is telling me. So I will even it like that. And then I would choose another photo. Let's just say this. I will add this to the background. All right, and I'm just gonna blow it up. I know it looks crazy. Don't think I'm crazy yet. So we're gonna turn that down, all the way down, right? Yeah, that's kind of a lot. So this is probably gonna be like transparency 5, and then blow it up. So that, and then we will enter text. And then so from this point, I would just start naming like recipes, you know? So I would say tacos here, add tortilla, you know? Then next I would say do the line spacing like that, and then I could change. So let's just say we can do that. And then you'll just, you know, want to continue on. So if I was to just duplicate, this is pretty much how you create an ebook, and then you can either duplicate another page, and you can say, thanks for purchasing. Thanks. Enjoy. I don't know. This is random, right? So yeah, this is pretty much how you create a ebook. So let's just say like the ebook is done. You have the cover, you have the ingredients, the recipes, and your end page. From there, be sure you name it, and then you'll go to share. Then you go to download, and then you'll go to PDF standard for emailing, and then you'll click download right. So you'll download all 3 pages, and then from there, I will upload this either on Shopify. I know people think Shopify, no, it's expensive. They do have $1 for the first 3 months. Click the link in the description to get that free link trial. Or you can try Gumroad, Podia. There are tons of websites you can sell your digital products on. If you need more help, just Google best platforms to sell my digital product on. So this is pretty much how it looks. And then from here, I'll show you guys what it looks like once downloaded. Either, like I said, either on Shopify, because I sell my digital products on Shopify, or you can choose other websites. So this is pretty much how the ebook would look once downloaded. Let's just say your customer placed the order on your website of this ebook, then it went straight to their email address. Once they download the ebook from the email, this is pretty much how it will look. Because all you have to do is promote it. Once you start promoting it, you can start making money in your sleep. So like I said, I hope this video was helpful. Do be sure to leave a like, and I'll see y'all in the next video, and click the link in the description for all freebies. See you guys in the next video. Peace.